pakwento naman ano yung concept ng event and why in Santa Rosa?
Well, number one, the purpose of the 15th anniversary is all about giving back and paying it forward. Gusto ko po kasi talagang bigyang highlight naman, of course, in the past years kasi puro na lang ako yung nakikita natin, yung nakikita ng audience, and yung nakikita ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. And right now, all of the people naman that's very much part of my journey in the past 15 years, sila naman yung mabibigyang highlight with this event. And why Santa Rosa? Because sa tagal ko sa industriya kasi hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng event na or a big event na nagawa sa lugar kung saan ako lumaki. And of course, with the help of the people in Santa Rosa as well, we were able to mount this event, and I'm very excited para kahit papano, maibalik ko naman to sa mga kababayan ko na since day one was always is always there for me.
What has been like the best fan interaction that you've ever had wherein you learned something?
Sa dami din kasi dyan. I think there were a lot of fan interactions wherein nagugulat na lang ako dun sa mga naririnig kong news about what happened. But in general kasi, I think one of the most important things and the most memorable to me is yung mga, paano ba to? Paano ko ba sabihin na parang hindi self-service? But anyway, sabihin ko na rin. Yung mga natulungan ko before, nalalapit sa akin and then sasabihin na ito na yung buhay nila ngayon just because of that. Actually, help that we were able to give. Actually, maliit na tulong lang yun, but on how it really changed their life and gave them comfort. I think yun yung minsan mga nagugulat akong fan encounters when it comes to the mom, or let's say, well, one of the things to be specific was when this happened way back 2019 was, I don't know if nakwento ko na to, but hindi ko lang talaga siya makalimutan because it's my core memory. There was this girl who was standing in the crowd and opening to nung tindahan namin sa Binyan. And then she was holding a diploma and then parang nakatingin lang siya sa akin the whole time. Tapos she was smiling and then ako nag-iisip, sabi ko, ba't kaya lagi nakangiti sa akin tong si ate? And then when the time came na pwede na siyang makalapit sa akin, she approached me and then she told me that graduate na siya. And I was responsible for her accomplishment sa college or in school. So, I mean, I think, but the main point that I want to say about things like that is, wala talaga sa volume ang pagtulong. May it be small, may it be big. It's the thought, it's the effect it has on people. And parang it gives me more, it gives me more passion, it gives me more, it grounds me where I am right now. Na parang because of all the things that I'm doing in my own small way, it creates ripples of kindness and it extends to the common good. So parang isa yun sa mga bagay kung bakit pinagpapatuloy ko yung ginagawa ko ngayon is really to have that kind of platform, that kind of reach when it comes to people. And that's what keeps me going. So